So, you're broke, but you still need a car that won't leave you stranded on the side of the road. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Whether you need something fuel-efficient, low maintenance, or just dirt cheap to keep running, these cars will get the job done without draining your wallet. From legendary Toyotas and Hondas to some underrated hidden gems, we're counting down 17 of the best budget-friendly, ultra-reliable cars you can buy when money is tight. Stay tuned, because number 1 might just surprise you. Number 13 is the 2004 to 2005 Toyota RAV4. The 2004 to 2005 Toyota RAV4 is a budget-friendly SUV that delivers exceptional reliability, great fuel efficiency, and practical features, perfect for anyone looking for a dependable ride without breaking the bank. Powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, it offers solid gas mileage of around 24 to 30 miles per gallon, making it an efficient choice for daily commuting. Despite its compact size, the RAV4 provides a surprisingly spacious interior with comfortable seating for 5 and plenty of cargo space for road trips or errands. If you live in an area with harsh weather, the available all-wheel drive makes it a great option for added traction and stability. Known for its low maintenance costs and bulletproof durability, this generation of the RAV4 can easily hit 200,000 plus miles with regular upkeep. The best part? You can still find well-maintained models for under $5,000, making it one of the smartest used SUV buys for anyone on a tight budget. Number 12 is the 2003 to 2005 Honda Element. The 2003 to 2005 Honda Element is one of the most versatile and budget-friendly SUVs you can buy when you're short on cash. Designed with a boxy, rugged look, the Element isn't just about style. It's built for practicality and durability. Under the hood, it packs a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 160 horsepower and solid fuel efficiency of around 22 to 26 miles per gallon. Whether you choose the front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive model, the Element is known for its reliability and low maintenance costs, making it a great choice for daily driving or road trips. Inside, the Element's spacious, easy-to-clean interior is a game-changer. With suicide-style rear doors, stain-resistant seats, and a wipe-down rubber floor, it's perfect for adventurers, pet owners, or anyone who needs a no-fuss functional vehicle. The rear seats even fold flat, or can be removed completely, for massive cargo space. Plus, with Honda's reputation for longevity, it's not uncommon for these to hit 300,000 plus miles with basic upkeep. If you want an affordable, reliable, and ultra-practical SUV, the Honda Element is a hidden gem worth considering. Number 11 is the 2003 to 2006 Toyota Matrix. The 2003 to 2006 Toyota Matrix is the perfect budget-friendly hatchback that blends Toyota reliability, great fuel efficiency, and surprising practicality into one affordable package. Based on the Toyota Corolla, the Matrix features a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers 30 to 36 miles per gallon, making it an excellent choice for commuters and anyone looking to save on gas. Whether you go for the front-wheel drive, FWD, or all-wheel drive, AWD version, you're getting a car known for low maintenance costs and long-term durability. Some of these have been known to hit 300,000 plus miles with proper care. Inside, the Matrix offers a spacious and flexible interior with plenty of headroom and fold-flat rear seats, giving you SUV-like cargo space in a compact hatchback design. It's perfect for road trips, hauling gear, or just running errands with ease. Plus, Toyota's bulletproof reliability means fewer breakdowns and cheaper repairs. If you need an affordable, fuel-efficient, and ultra-reliable car that won't let you down, the Toyota Matrix is one of the best used cars you can buy on a budget. Number 10. We have the 2002 to 2006 Lexus ES 330. The 2002 to 2006 Lexus ES330 is the perfect luxury sedan on a budget, offering Toyota's legendary reliability with a smooth and comfortable ride. Under the hood, it features a 3.3-liter V6 engine producing 225 horsepower, giving you a quiet yet powerful drive with decent fuel efficiency of around 18 to 27 miles per gallon. Whether you're commuting or taking long road trips, the ES330 delivers a plush, upscale experience without the high maintenance costs of other luxury brands. Step inside, and you're greeted with a premium interior featuring leather seats, wood trim, and a whisper-quiet cabin. The ride quality is buttery smooth, thanks to Lexus's refined suspension, making it one of the most comfortable used sedans in its price range. Plus, since it's built by Toyota, repairs and maintenance are affordable and straightforward, with many ES333s lasting well over 250,000 miles. If you're broke but still want a luxurious, reliable, and comfortable car, the Lexus ES330 is a hidden gem that delivers way more than its price tag suggests. Number 9 is the 2002 to 2006 Camry. The 2002 to 2006 Toyota Camry is the ultimate budget-friendly sedan, combining legendary reliability, comfort, and affordability in one package. Whether you choose the fuel-efficient 2.4-liter four-cylinder or the stronger 3.0-liter V6, this Camry delivers smooth performance and great gas mileage, averaging 24 to 30 miles per gallon. Known for its low maintenance costs and long lifespan, it's common to see these cars easily surpass 300,000 miles with basic care. Inside, the Camry offers a quiet and comfortable cabin, perfect for daily commuting or long road trips. It has plush seating, a spacious interior, and a simple yet durable design that holds up over time. Plus, replacement parts are cheap and easy to find, making repairs budget-friendly. Whether you're a student, a first-time car buyer, or just looking for a dependable, no-nonsense sedan, the 2002 to 2006 Toyota Camry is one of the best used cars you can buy when you're broke. Number 8 is the 2005 to 2007 Pontiac Vibe. The 2005 to 2007 Pontiac Vibe is one of the most underrated budget cars out there, offering Toyota reliability with a sporty American design. That's right, the Vibe is actually a mechanical twin to the Toyota Matrix, meaning it shares the bulletproof 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine that can easily last 300,000 plus miles with basic maintenance. Plus, with fuel efficiency of 28 to 36 miles per gallon, this hatchback is a fantastic choice for commuters and budget-conscious drivers. Inside, the Vibe is surprisingly spacious, with fold-flat rear seats and a durable, easy-to-clean interior, making it perfect for road trips, hauling gear, or everyday errands. Some models even come with all-wheel drive, AWD, for extra stability in bad weather. Since it's a Pontiac, you can often find them cheaper than the Toyota Matrix, even though they're essentially the same car under the hood. If you're looking for a fuel-efficient, reliable, and super practical hatchback without spending much, the Pontiac Vibe is a hidden gem worth considering. Number 7 is the 2006 to 2007 Honda Accord. The 2006 to 2007 Honda Accord is one of the best all-around budget sedans you can buy, offering reliability, comfort, and strong resale value. Whether you go with the fuel-efficient 2.4-liter four-cylinder, getting up to 34 miles per gallon, or the powerful 3.0-liter V6, the Accord delivers smooth performance and a refined driving experience. Known for its low maintenance costs and ability to last well over 300,000 miles, this Honda is a smart choice for anyone on a tight budget. Inside, the Accord features a spacious, well-built interior with comfortable seats, quality materials, and user-friendly controls. It's a great car for both daily commutes and long road trips, thanks to its quiet cabin and smooth ride. Plus, Honda parts are affordable and easy to find, making repairs cheap and hassle-free. If you're looking for a dependable, fuel-efficient and comfortable sedan that won't break the bank, the 2006 to 2007 Honda Accord is one of the best used cars you can get. Number 6 is the 2002 to 2007 Toyota Corolla. The 2002 to 2007 Toyota Corolla is the ultimate budget-friendly commuter car, known for its legendary reliability, excellent fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs. Powered by a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, this Corolla delivers up to 35 miles per gallon, making it a perfect choice for anyone looking to save money on gas. Whether you're a student, a first-time car buyer, or just need a dependable daily driver, the Corolla is built to last well over 300,000 miles with basic upkeep. Inside, the Corolla is simple but practical, offering comfortable seating, easy-to-use controls, and a surprisingly spacious cabin for a compact car. It may not be the flashiest ride, but it's one of the most hassle-free vehicles you can own. Repairs are cheap and easy, thanks to the abundance of Toyota parts, and its reputation for reliability means you'll spend more time driving and less time at the mechanic. If you need an affordable, fuel-efficient, and long-lasting car, the 2002 to 2007 Toyota Corolla is one of the smartest used car buys out there. Number 5 is the 2007 to 2008 Subaru Forester. The 2007 to 2008 Subaru Forester is a budget-friendly SUV that combines rugged capability, practicality, and Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive system. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, the Forester offers solid fuel efficiency at around 20 to 27 miles per gallon, while providing plenty of power for daily driving and light off-roading. Whether you're dealing with rain, snow, or rough terrain, Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive keeps you in control, making this a great choice for drivers in colder or rural areas. Inside, the Forester is spacious and versatile, with plenty of cargo room, comfortable seating, and a high driving position for great visibility. It also comes with split-folding rear seats, making it easy to haul gear, groceries, or even camping equipment. While Subarus are known for their durability, regular maintenance, especially keeping up with oil changes and checking for head gasket issues, will ensure your Forester runs strong for 200,000 plus miles. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and all-weather capable SUV, the 2007 to 2008 Subaru Forester is a solid choice. These cars may not be brand new, but they've proven their reliability over the years, and with proper maintenance, they can keep running for hundreds of thousands of miles without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you want more budget car recommendations, car buying tips, and automotive content, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Also, let me know in the comments, which of these cars is your favorite? Or do you own one of them? I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.